Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make a plate in Solidworks software. So at first I'm taking the top plane, then I'm going to the normal plane, Control 8. Then I'm going to the sketch and select the circle. Draw a circle. Again I'm taking the circle. Okay. This diameter will be 2 inch. Okay, then close the drawing, then go to the top plane again, go to the features and reference geometry, then it will be 0.2. okay, done. Then control 7, then go to the sketch and select the circle again. Okay, the diameter will be 2.5 or 2.2, 2.5. okay, done. Then close the drawing, then go to the features and select the loft command, click and another click. Okay, done. Okay, then click it and select the shell, it will be 0.1. okay, done. Then the plate is done. You can select the color, appearance, and it will be plastic. Then you can select this plastic color is good. This color is select, or you can select this color or this color. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel if you think that the video is benefited to you.